How to fix Google Maps error. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Google Maps. Just watch this video till the end. So first, as you know, you have to open the settings of your device, and after this what you should do right now, you have to open apps option. Here on apps option you have to go and search for Google Maps or Maps. Then when you found it, you have to open it like this, and then you have now to go directly to storage option. Click on clear cache and don't click on clear data. Then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK, and now you have to go to picture in picture, and you have to allow this option like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.